Right now we are going towards Shivgiri. It's a huge statue or idol, you can say, of Lord Shiva, which is made over there, and we are heading towards that place. I'm almost close, it's there somewhere. So guys, here we are at Shivgiri Temple, which is at Vijaypura or Vijaypura. Vijaypura is a new name for the place. So that's Shivgiri written over here in Kannada, I guess. And that's a huge Lord Shiva's idol up over there. We'll be going there in a while. And I'm damn hungry. I haven't had anything since morning. I actually got up pretty late, somewhere around 1 in the afternoon. So as I said in the last vlog, that I'm actually wearing same clothes because I'm continuing the vlog day 2 at Vijaypura. The thing is that eventually or accidentally or luckily, whatever you want to say, I came here at Vijaypura, and I'm able to explore this place. It's my loveliness once again. Mama lag di chal ek chan chan hagi de mama la loko pahla mama la hagi de ek chan chan. Yay, love you. Say love you too.
Love you too.
Papu de forehead forehead. Ayya, thank you. Read about this idol, how it's made, and it's written about Shiva. So its height is 85 feet and 104 feet is the width of this idol. You can pause and take a screenshot and read it out. Kutte peacock. Show me. Yeah. Boo, love you.
Love you. Now का
हाँ लाओ
अरे मेरा पकड़ना घीना
आइए
घीना
अच्छा बुब्बू देख लो
मना
guys, that was all about this vlog, which was at Shivgiri, and I hope you like this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to it and like this video. And next destination would be where it would be. I'm also not sure about it, because the person who is taking me to all these places, he will be taking me to the next location. So till that time, keep watching, enjoy the videos, and if you're liking it, then shower your love and support me as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Ride safe and take care.